Hello, this is Roland. Last week we talked about princesses, which is related to females. This week we move on to males. Minor change, we'll move on. Do you still remember this guy shown on the screen? I believe some of you should know him, because he has been heated around our society recently. I have heard some of you call this kind of man with the specific term, poison man. Obviously, this term should be totally wrong, as it is directly translated to poison man. Actually, we use the word geek, I say again, geek, to represent this kind of man. Becoming a geek is not easy, because you should have the characteristic of obsession. I say again, obsession. Just like that guy. He is obsessed with Chrissy. So we usually use obsess to say someone who is obsessed with something. Another significant characteristic related to geeks is having a habit of collecting ACG. Here, ACG is not a thing only. Instead, it contains three types of things, which are animation, comic, and game. I say again, animation, comic, and game. Besides that, the level of their obsession with collecting ACG is usually out of our expectation. They usually dress up in those characters and attend the cosplay party. Here, the word cosplay is a compound word, which is a combination of costume roleplay. Actually, geek is a term to describe males, and we should not keep on labeling them. That's the end of geek. See you then.
我有少少想中佢嘅。